Northern mockingbird. The northern mockingbird is a well-known and highly vocal songbird found in North America. Northern mockingbirds are medium-sized birds with grayish plumage and white underparts. They have long tails, slender bodies, and distinctive white wing patches that are visible in flight. Northern mockingbirds are native to North America and are found throughout the United States, parts of Canada, Mexico, and some Caribbean islands. Mockingbirds are renowned for their impressive ability to mimic the songs and calls of other birds. They have one of the most extensive repertoires of any North American songbird, and they may imitate the sounds of other bird species, insects, and even mechanical noises. Northern mockingbirds are known for their territorial behavior. They are highly protective of their territory and may vigorously defend it against intruders, including other birds and even larger animals. Mockingbirds are omnivorous and have a varied diet. They feed on insects, fruits, berries, and occasionally small reptiles. They are often seen foraging on the ground and in shrubs. Mockingbirds are generally monogamous and may form long-term pair bonds. They build cup-shaped nests in trees and shrubs, typically at a moderate height. Males sing to attract females and continue to sing throughout the breeding season. Both parents participate in nest building and raising the young.